Hey everyone, welcome back to Whiskey Racing. Today we're going to take a look at the Mopar 22 owner's kit that comes with each 22 Durango. They're finally shipping out. It took me about a month and a half to get my kit after getting the vehicle. We'll go through the kit, see what you get, and then we'll talk about it a little more, and we'll find out if Mopar shorted us owners a little bit on this vehicle. All right, so here's what you get. It comes in this box. You get a package sent to your house from Stellantis. Open it up. This is what's inside. One thing I would have changed for this, they said it's a personalized owner's kit. It's the stripe in the middle here, the gloss black, where it says Mopar 22 mimics the stripe on the vehicle. So the vehicles are available in two colors, DB black and white knuckle. So I have a white one, so it would have been cool if the box was white with the stripe being blue, and then obviously you have a black one, black box, blue stripe. But whatever, just a cool touch. I think they could add it. Open it up. Here's your first paper. I'll put a screenshot of this up so you can read it. One thing I thought would have been cool with this was if they, it says Dear Mopar Limited Edition Owner, if they actually put your name on it. I know the vehicle gets sold, but for the original owner, I think it would have been a nice little touch they could have added. And since they're not that personalized, I don't understand why they just didn't go to the dealership with the vehicle and just get it when you buy the car. Moving on from that congratulations letter, we have, this is the design team sketch. I'll get this out. You can see it actually says Mopar 22 on the envelope. So you pull this out. At least they gave you a nice envelope. Right, nice envelope. So that's just printed on paper. If you have a white one, the white's in the front. If you have a black one, the black's in the front. So there. So this is metal. This is kind of cool. It lists all the standard equipment, the Mopar equipment that's part of the Mopar package. And it's got your VIN and your vehicle number up top there. Obviously, I have number 121. So this is the biggest complaint I've seen about these online in the owners groups. Right there under standard equipment, it says full-size spare tire. There's no spare tire on this vehicle. It does come with run flats, but no spare. And in the bottom of the box here, you get a keychain. This is kind of cool. So the one key tag here, it is a Mopar 85-year anniversary since 37. Then you got the Mopar 22 with your number, the number of your vehicle on it there, and then the ring that says Mopar. So that's a nice little touch they put in there. All right, so that's going to wrap up the video on the Durango's owner kit. Cool little touch you get with the car. Like I said, could have did some things a little different. But it is what it is. I'll talk about a couple things I wasn't happy with in a later video. I'm going to be doing a 2,000-mile review of the video here soon. So a couple things that they said were going to be in the car that weren't. That's a little disappointing. But anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll see you at the drag strip.